the quiet mornings of North America, before the sun even rises, a flash of crimson red cuts through the green forests. It's not the sunrise, it's the Northern Cardinal, one of the most beloved and recognizable birds in the world. With its fiery feathers and sweet whistling song, this bird is not just beautiful, it's a symbol of energy, spirit, and life itself. The Northern Cardinal cardinalis is instantly recognizable. The male wears a bright red coat, a dazzling display designed to impress females and to warn rivals. Females, on the other hand, wear soft shades of brown and orange, a more subtle elegance that helps them blend in while nesting. Their crest, that pointed feather crown, makes them look like little kings of the backyard. And those black masks around their beaks? That's not just decoration, it helps reduce glare from sunlight, improving their vision during flight and feeding. Cardinals are found across eastern and central North America, from southern Canada down to the Gulf of Mexico. They thrive in woodlands, gardens, and parks, often close to people. Unlike many other birds, the Northern Cardinal doesn't migrate. Even in the snowy winters of Ohio or New York, you'll spot that red figure perched against white snow, a symbol of hope and warmth in the cold. One of the most charming things about cardinals is their voice. They sing clear, whistled melodies, cheer, 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 or birdie, birdie, birdie. And here's a fun fact, both males and females sing, which is rare among songbirds. Scientists believe they sing to communicate, to defend territory, and sometimes even to comfort their partners during nesting. Cardinals are also fiercely territorial. They're known to attack their own reflection in mirrors or windows, thinking it's a rival intruding on their space. Their diet is simple yet vital for the ecosystem. Cardinals feed on seeds, fruits, and insects. Their strong, cone-shaped beak is designed to crack open even the toughest sunflower seed. By eating fruits and berries, they help disperse seeds, playing a key role in forest regeneration. They're nature's gardeners, spreading life wherever they go. When it's time to nest, cardinals build carefully woven cups made of twigs, leaves, and bark, often hidden deep in shrubs. The female lays 3 to 4 pale blue eggs, and both parents share the responsibility of feeding the chicks. Males often bring food to their mates, a touching sign of devotion that has inspired countless romantic symbols and poems. In many cultures, the Northern Cardinal is seen as a spiritual messenger, a sign that a loved one is watching over you. Its bright red color represents vitality, courage, and love. It's even the state bird of 7 U.S. states, including Illinois, Indiana, and Virginia. Truly, the Northern Cardinal isn't just a bird, it's part of North America's soul. So next time you step outside and hear that sweet whistling song, pause for a moment. You might just be listening to nature's little masterpiece, the Northern Cardinal. A flash of red, a sound of joy, and a reminder that even the smallest creatures can color our world. The Northern Cardinal, beauty in every feather. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more nature wonders.